us, let's push the button and play. Well, good morning, everybody. How are you? Well, are you excited to see the birds? Very good. Today we'll have lots of fun with our beautiful birds. My name is Bob. I'm your MC. This is our DJ Cow.
Well, thank you so much, Bob. All right, this morning we will have lots of fun with these amazing, talented, and friendly birds. But before we start a wonderful show by raising our UA flag, we have a green wing macaw to help us to do that. So, kids, are you ready for the show?
We cannot start the show, DJ Cow.
What's going on, Bob?
We have to clean the table.
Well, I think it's about time to call our housekeeping.
What's his name?
Jordan, our green wing macaw.
That's right. So everybody help us to call him. Everybody say Jordan. Jordan.
Wow.
DJ Cow, who's that?
Oh, it's raining.
Excuse me. Hello. No. The green wing macaw, cuckoo, not you. No. Keep this one here. Come with me. Everybody say Jordan. Jordan, shining like a star.
Come on, Jordan. That's right, that was Jordan. Come on. And you know what, Jordan? You still have one more thing to do. So it's time to raise our UA flag, so we're going to start our show, all right? Come on.
Jordan, goodbye. Bye-bye. Now joining us, the African gray parrot. He can copy sounds, and he can talk, and he can do lots of funny things. Let's enjoy with him.
Okay. His voice is very soft, so you need to be quiet, yeah? What's your name? Aku. Let's say hello. And in Chinese, ni hao ma. Chicken? Can you cry? How about your doorbell? Doorbell? Good bird.
Well, thank you, Aku. Okay, joining us now, the blue and gold macaws. Their names are Tom and Jerry. And one of them is going to solve this puzzle for us. What's the color of this one? What about this one? Good. Okay, this side. What is the color of this one? Very good. All right, put your hands together for Tom and Jerry.
Okay, so first up, we have Jerry solving the puzzles. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Come. Wow!
That is fun.
Well, to be honest, Jerry's not only good at solving puzzles, he is also good in numbers. So put him to the test, how smart he is in mathematics, alright?
And what shall we do?
How about the easiest one, Bob? Addition.
Addition.
That's right.
Okay. Nadatanos. Give me a number between 1 and 5. 3. 3. Okay. So we got number 3. This side, give me a number between 10 and 15. 11. 11. Okay. 3 plus 11 equals to what? This side. 14. Teacher Cos, do you agree?
Well, I think they are right, but we have to find out the final answers with Jerry, alright?
Okay, so let's have a look at this.
Come on, Jerry. So what is the first number?
1.
1. And how about the final numbers?
It's number 4.
Wow.
He's very smart. He's good man.
Okay. Are you good in magic?
Of course.
How about some illusion?
Illusion.
Well, let's try Jerry with the silver caps.
Me?
Her.
Her. It means she. So she, her, or her, she's going to do a magic for us now.
Alright.
Okay. Teacher Cos, keep watching her, please.
Why?
I don't trust her.
Really?
I don't trust her. Yes, I don't trust you.
Well, me too.
See? We got something in common, man. Everybody keep watching her, okay?
Well, Bobby, you're right. I saw something.
You saw something,
I
right?
will tell you later.
Please, keep your eyes open all the time. Wow! Wait, hold on.
Well, to be honest, I saw with my 4 eyes. They are helping each other.
Our teacher saw her helping him.
Yeah.
Do you agree? Yes. Okay, this side says no. Do you agree? Yes. No. Do you agree? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. So it means...
We have to challenge them, alright?
Exactly. Take your brother high, please. Let's do it one more time. Where was it? The first place, right? So we're going to change it now. Where is it? Where is it now? Middle. Okay, let's see if Jerry can find it or no. Ian, Jerry, good luck.
Wow!
That's what we're talking about.
So we have to cross our train on Bob.
We are sorry, and we trust you, and we trust Jerry. Okay. Now, Tom, he likes to do this kind of things every day. What is this?
Manny Pacquiao, boxing.
No, man. What is this? Huh?
Swimming.
Where is the swimming pool? Cycling! Right! This is the bicycle.
Bob,
What's up?
well, today's Jerry's birthday.
Really? So what shall we do?
Give some gift.
Some gifts. Okay. So we decided to give the bicycle to Jerry because it's his birthday. So Ian, excuse-moi, I'm gonna take this bicycle. Why? We have to ask him? Okay. Mr. Tom, can we give the bicycle to your friend? Today is his birthday. So he can take a ride, he can enjoy. Let's see. Now he will give us the answer, if yes or no. Okay? Watch this. Tom, the bicycle, Jerry. Jerry, bicycle. Jerry, no bicycle. خلي ولي bicycle. No need for bicycle. What happened to him? That time, wait, let me try to help him. Wait, let me try to help him.
CPR.
See, he will bite me. Wait, I'm gonna try this one. Nothing?
There's
Yeah.
something, Bob.
Khalas? Okay, do you want him to go back to the show? You have to help us. Everybody say, Tom. Wake up! Let's go! Let's give her a big round of applause for a very good actor. Alright, Tom and Jerry, thank you very much. We will see you later. It's time to have some fun with our beautiful son, Conures. He is going to come and collect some money from me, alright? He's only trained for that. So let me see how much I have. As you can see, I have 100 dirhams, alright? Now, our beautiful son, Conures, is going to come and take this money. So, Digitas, can you call him, please?
Okay. Alibaba, are you there? Well, Bob, he's coming and he's very excited.
All right, let's see how Alibaba is going to take the money from my hand. Wait, I'll get so close. Okay, Saki, send him. Look at him. Okay, it's there. It's there. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. It's there. Oh, look at me, it's there. Yes. All right. Now, Alibaba got the money. Hey, Saki, come on. What, did you cast? What happened to my money? He took my money. Everybody call him. Say, Alibaba. Where are you? All right. Yes, I want the money back. It's only for fun and laugh. Now, let's see if you can give it to me or no. So, Alibaba, can you take your decision, please? Make it fast. No. No? Everybody say yeah. Yeah. Say yeah. See what happened? My money fall down. Did you guys tell him something? He's your friend.
But someone say no.
What to do? Alright.
Come on, Alibaba.
Drop it, Alibaba. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you now. Thank you, Alibaba. Thank you. Alright. What's gonna happen now? You're going to meet our beautiful silver crescent Kakatu. He'll be flying above your head. So I need all the children to put their hands behind their back. Everybody, put your hands behind your back. Digicast, let's go.
Okay, so let things back up into the air. Let us all welcome AAMBO Mambo!
Keep your hands behind your back. Thank you, Macaw! Well, our DJ has something to tell you about.
Well, Mr. Jordan is our green wing macaw, and he is our environmental friendly bird who loves to travel around the world. Unfortunately, he has only 3 dirhams in his account. Wow! Come on, everybody, clap your hands and support Jordan. Jordan has now 1 dirham in his account.
And I see the rainbow down the way.
2 dirhams in his account plus 1 dirham. So Bob, he has now 3 dirhams. So what do you think?
Very good. Very good.
Well, I think it's about time now to ask him about his passport, all right?
Okay, Jordan. Our DJ asking you, did you get your passport plus the money? See what happened to him.
No passport, Bob.
No passport, no money, no honey. Everyone, it's okay, yalla. Well done to Jordan. Thank you very much. He's a very good actor. And let's say goodbye to him. Bye-bye. All right. Joining us now, Tom and Jerry. They're going to play a basketball match. Let's see who's going to win. DJ Cast, let's go.
Bring the action.
Okay, so it's about time now to bring the action between Tom and Jerry, and we'll see who can take the first shot and who can win this match, all right? So we have only 30 seconds to play. Come on, Tom, come on, Jerry. Come on. We'll see who can take the first shot and who can win this match. Tom or Jerry, but it's like Tom is on the move. Wow, 1 point for Tom and 1 point for Jerry. But here comes the winning shot from Tom. Well, Jerry, you running out of time.
And the winner is
Tom.
very much. Okay. It's time to do the ring race between them, and let's see who's going to win.
I hope Jerry will bounce back, all right?
We will see.
Come on, everybody, clap your hands and support Tom and Jerry. Bob, what's going on with Tom?
Wallahi, sometimes we can see unexpected things.
It's like we start giving and sharing to one another.
Ramadan time. This is cheating. This is cheating, but it's okay. Let's give them a big round of applause. Those are the champions of the show. Well done, Tom. Well done, Jerry. Joining us now, the beautiful group of sun colliers. Their names are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They will do a special show to you. So do not try to touch them if they came over your head like somewhere here, over there, all right? Get ready for the sun colliers.
Okay, just take a look up in the air. We have 4 or maybe 5 lovely Santonios, all right? There you go. Take a look at that. Wow. They fly like a 5 rockers. Wow.
All right, it's time to say goodbye to the sun colliers. Everybody say goodbye to them. Sadly, all the good times have to come to an end. For myself, Bob, DJ Cast, the training team, Trail, Ian, Saki, and the beautiful birds, we thank you for joining us. It was so great. Did you enjoy the show? Tom and Jerry will come now to say goodbye to each one of you. Tom and Jerry are the champions of the show. We can see you all, so it's time to raise your hands in the air. Come on. Nada? Friday ka habit before? Yalla khala. Habit before? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We'll see you dolphin show. Thank you, DJ Cast.
Thank you, Bob.
Peace, man. I love. Don't forget your things. Don't forget your bag. Don't forget anything, all right? See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye bye bye.
Hello, thank you, Claire. Thank you, Claire. Nada, what do you want to say?
Bye.
Did you enjoy the bird show?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Very good. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Mwah. Happy Viana. Aywa. Happy. Let's go make a video. Huh? Let's go.
Yeah, that's fine. 50 and that.
Carpet lang, 10 inches lang.
Mirror maze! Mirror maze! Really? They're here? No. They're dead.
Kita nyo na.
Big aquarium! Mirror maze! Pwede ba tayo maglaro? Dahil tayo malamig ka doon. Hey! Epidemic Weekly!
At ano mas gusto mo?
Big beautiful ship! What's us? Oh, Gumamela! doorbell. Yes. I don't think the burger will be that good. Okay, look, kayo sa camera. What do you mean, Sir, dolphinarium na tayo. Mirror maze, sir.
Salamat, Freedom.
Hello! Cheese! Guys! Sana punta tayo sa mirror maze. Chicken butt.
Sona. Tulungan niyo po kami!
Sa loob! Sa loob! Where's the bird? The birds are here? Dapat po naka-community service po yan. Sabi po ni sir. Sabi ba?
Kaway kayo sa camera. Kaway kayo. Bye-bye. Kaway kayo. Kaway kayo. May camera.
Bye-bye!
Kaway kayo sa camera. DCP. Para mag-discover kayo. Kaway kayo sa camera. Red carpet. Red carpet.
Hello.
Kakapasok.
Yan ito. Oh my gosh. Hey, go to Dolphinarium. The only burn ones. Red carpet.
Nalilag mo po ang carpet.
Red carpet.
Sinasabi kayo ng mga grade 6. Sorry.
The birds are there. Hey, oh, there they are.
Practice.